Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. For the audience, let me ask you something. Can you still use plastic straw? Can you still ask for plastic bags when shopping? Or do you still buy mineral water instead of bring your own bottle? If so, please leave those habits because the amount of plastic waste on Earth is in worrisome condition. Research from Science Journal revealed that there are 24 to 34 million metric tons of plastic pollution enters marine environment each year, which is about 11% of the world's total plastic waste. In fact, it is estimated that 1.3 billion tons of plastic waste will pollute this planet on 2040. Those are an indication that the problem of plastic waste is already out of control, and we as a human who live on Earth need to participate in resolving this issue, even if we just took a small role. This morning, I'd like to present 3 reasons why we should reduce the use of plastic. To start with, I will explain the effects of plastic waste for human health. Then I will mention the damage of marine life due to plastic waste disposal to the sea. After that, I will explain that plastic waste can cause natural disasters. Finally, I will summarize my speech. The first reason why we should reduce the use of plastic is because it can affect our health. The reason for my statement is that most of plastic waste contain chemicals, and that's so dangerous if it enters to the human body. Based on an article from rencana.id, there is possibility that substances like PCB or PAH on plastic can be transferred to us through consuming fish or other seafood that have already been contaminated. Those chemicals are able to ruin our hormones, even may cause cancer. Therefore, the existence of plastics that are considered to be beneficial thing for our daily needs precisely becoming a boomerang for our lives. The second reason is plastic waste can damaging marine life. The increasing amount of plastic waste in the sea, coupled with the difficulty of plastic to decompose, will give bad impact for marine animals. A study from Oceanographic Research Center in LIPI, Jakarta exposed that around 370 species of sea animals in the world have swallowed plastic waste. Consequently, it can cause internal bleeding and blockage the digestive tract. Therefore, improper disposal of plastic waste to the sea is able to kill and inhibit the reproduction of sea animals. The last reason is plastic waste can cause natural disasters. It is possibly happen since people still tend to throw plastic waste to the rivers and lead to flooding. An article from Kompasiana.com revealed that almost all of rivers and sewers in Indonesia are clogged by plastic waste. So it's not surprising if flooding become a common case in this country. Of course, the environment will be damaged since the road is awash by dirty water that have been polluted with garbages. Besides, people's activity may also be hampered because of this problem. Therefore, if we still overuse plastic and don't do the proper way to dispose it, unconsciously we are paving the way for disasters to come in and let them disturb this world. In conclusion, we have to start decreasing our reliance on plastic. It is because the buildup plastic waste could give bad aftermath such as bringing disease for human body, disrupting sea animals' lives, and also spoil our land with calamity. Therefore, I suggest for all of you to using reusable equipment instead of plastic as a form of participation in prevent any other severe damages in the future. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.